Hello guys, welcome back. What we did in the previous video, we applied Pareto analysis using Excel and the DAX Studio, and now we are gonna apply it or visualize it using Power BI. And to visualize Pareto, we need to answer the questions: what percentage of clients achieve the highest revenue percentage? I promise you guys it will be very fast, very easy, and it will take only fewer steps, less than what we did in Excel and DAX Studio. And thanks to updates happen from Power BI in this year, July 2025, they add some new features, help us to visualize Pareto directly without creating measures or new columns. And it will be easy. I'm gonna show you how can we do it. Let's start drag table from here, or double click, move it, resize, click on customer name and revenue. I'm gonna change the column here to total revenue. Done. We can sort it already sorted. We can sort it from here directly, and this is the power of Power BI. Very easy, very quick. Click on three dots, and this is the new feature I mentioned, guys. New visual calculation. This is updated in this year, July 2025, and this new feature help us to make things like Pareto running tools and percentage directly inside the visual without writing full DAX measures. And to analyze, or sorry, to visualize the Pareto here, we need to create two columns. The first is revenue percentage per each customer, and the second is cumulative revenue percentage column. So we are gonna select percent of parent. You can see here it's open the formula bar with already made template, already made the measures. We are gonna select here total revenue, so divide total revenue, collapse, and fill here it will be also total revenue, and rows to make it as a loop, go row by row. And this is for the first column, revenue percentage per each customer. Done. So this is the first column we created. No need to show it, so I'm gonna hide it. The second column here, we need to create cumulative revenue percentage. How can we do it? Go to the three dot as well, new visual calculation and running sum. Select here percent to parent and order by. Select this function, total revenue, and in descending order. That's it. Very quick, very easy. Oh, sorry, something wrong here. Edit calculation. Yes, we need to close a bracket for running sum. Okay. And select here the line and stack column chart. Double click from here and move. We can change the running sum to cumulative, rename cumulative revenue percentage, as we did in Excel and the DAX Studio. Okay, so we can back to report, back to the original table here, and move the cumulative revenue from the column to the line, y-axis. That's it, done. Finish, very quick. And click on the line if we need to show the percentage. Go to the data labels on. We need to convert it from 2 decimal to percentage. Go to properties, data format, select from format percentage, and make a decimal 0. That's it, finish. We already done. So as we see here, guys, 4 customers make up 80% of revenue. In the upcoming video, guys, we are gonna applying Pareto analysis using SQL or SQL. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my upcoming video, and please like the video to help it reach more people and support the channel. Thank you guys, see you soon, bye for now.